In this video, I'll show you how to add your Hostinger business email in Gmail. First, there's one important thing to understand. If you want to use your Hostinger email inside Gmail, the setup depends on where you want to use it. Hostinger's current setup guides show direct Gmail app setup on mobile using standard mail settings, while Google says Gmail is moving away from the old desktop feature for checking third-party mail through POP in Gmail on computer. Google specifically says Gmail will no longer support checking emails from third-party accounts through P or IP, and that the option to check mail from other accounts in Gmail on computer will no longer be available. So the easiest working method today is to add your Hostinger mailbox to the Gmail app on Android or iPhone. Before you begin, make sure your Hostinger email account is already created, your domain is pointing correctly, and your MX records are set up. Hostinger says those are the key things to verify before connecting your mailbox to any email app. Next, open the Gmail app, go to Settings, tap Add Account, and choose Other. Then enter your full Hostinger business email address and select IMAP. Hostinger's Gmail setup guide shows this as the standard path for adding a Hostinger mailbox to Gmail. After that, enter your mailbox password and fill in the incoming and outgoing server details. Hostinger says the incoming IMAP server is imap.hostinger.com with SSL on port 993, and the outgoing SMTP server is smtp.hostinger.com with SSL on port 465. Hostinger also says if SMTP encryption gives you trouble, you can use TLS or Start TLS on port 587 instead. Once you save the settings, Gmail should start syncing your Hostinger business email so you can read and send messages from the Gmail app using your custom domain address. Now, if your goal is specifically to use your custom business email in the desktop Gmail website, there's an important limitation. Google's current guidance says the old Gmail feature for fetching mail from outside accounts on computer is going away. So the more reliable long-term option is either using the Gmail mobile app with your Hostinger mailbox, or using Google Workspace if you want full Gmail webmail with your custom domain. Hostinger also offers Google Workspace setup for businesses that want actual Gmail for business with their own domain. So the simplest answer is this. Create your Hostinger email, open the Gmail app, add the account as Other, choose IMAP, enter the Hostinger mail server settings, and you're ready to use your business email inside Gmail. That's how to add your Hostinger business email in Gmail. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.